56th anniversary to all of us here in Sacred Heart Hospital of Malolos. 56 years na tayong nagbibigay ng serbisyong subok at maaasahan.
Happy 56th founding anniversary, Sacred Heart Hospital.
Happy 56th anniversary, Sacred Heart!
Today, we gather not only to celebrate the journey, but to reaffirm our commitment to service as our hospital brand tagline says, subok at maaasahan.
Honey, we got a moon that's full and a dance floor made of grass. Your blue eyes make me wanna make this evening last. Put on an old song, put on that new dress. Tomorrow's coming, but it ain't here yet. We got stars outside.
So from a small hospital to what it is today, one of the leading private hospitals here in
I
Bulacan.
got this feeling rising to the ceiling, singing, ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright.
The Sacred Heart Hospital of Malolos. Cheers!
So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight. We can just forget the deadlines, leave them in the 9 to 5. Let's not waste a night like this. Let's hold on.
It's very important that you have to share the responsibility of making this hospital as it is today.
This feeling rising to the ceiling, singing, ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight.
Subok at tanda sa pag-aalaga.
So together, we are subok, proven by the test of time, and handa tayo. We are ever ready for the challenges and opportunities ahead.